Alright, so this is the eye look that I did today. If you want to see how I did it, then just keep watching. So I already prepped my eye, and I already prepped my eyelid with my Tarte tape shape, and then I just kind of set it right underneath so that there's not so much fallout. So yeah. I'm going in with the orange soda color from the Soft Glam palette. Just layering it on and blending it out. Color. I'm using a Morphe M433, so I'm just gonna kind of pat on the outskirts and flick and then go in the crease. And I'm just kind of like flicking it out a little bit, give that wing look, and I'm bringing it pretty far over in the inner corner because we're doing a cut crease, so I want there to be some definition right there. And I'm blending out those edges again. And I'm going in right here with this color, and this brush is a JH40, it's part of the Jaclyn Hill. And then I'm just kind of gonna deepen up the outer crease. So I'm gonna kind of go on my lash line, just stamping, and then kind of flicking, and then I'll blend out. So just like stamp it in, kind of stamp it on the lash line, and then flick out. And then I can go in and blend. And like I said, just kind of flicking it out, and then I'm just bringing it into my crease a little bit. Just the leftover product that's on the brush is what I'm just bringing over. I'm going in with my Tarte tape shape and cutting the crease, and then I'm just gonna follow it. And I'm bringing it like in the inner corner too. And then what I like to do once there, I don't like to leave that so hard. So I'll just lightly like pat it out. And then I'll use my finger and just blend the edge out a little bit just so it's not as harsh. Take a mixture of both of these. I went ahead and sprayed this with just a little setting spray, and then I'm going in and just tapping it on. And I'm just flipping it back and forth because I put the two different colors on. Same thing, I'll use my finger to kind of blend that out. I go in to this burnt orange color and kind of blend the two colors together. Going in with that same burnt orange color and go underneath. I feel like I definitely like smoking out because you can see I have a natural like crease right there, and really there's nothing you can do. If you have creases under your eyes, a lot of those other beauty gurus, they have fillers so they look like, you know, but nothing, like if you have a crease, you have a crease, and no matter what, you're gonna have a crease. So I just like to kind of smoke it out to about that line so that it blends in and you can't tell as much. Dip into rustic and the cypress amber, kind of both back and forth. I go in and highlight with my Becca Vanilla Quartz. Put my half lashes on and mascara, and I'm just gonna go in with like a black liner. This is the Maybelline Black Gel Liner, and just kind of right in the waterline. Right, so that is the eye look, all finished. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this look. Bye!